Hello?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Excuse me?
Yes, Angel.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Excuse me?
What?
Excuse me?
What?
Am I gonna have a seizure?
No.
But I like it when I have seizures. They're very funny. They amuse me greatly.
Fine.
Excuse me?
What?
Dude, you're having a seizure.
Yes, I know.
You're weird.
You've told me this like a million times.
It's okay, I can make it better. What the heck was that? That was weird.
Get out of my face, you tickle.
For what? You seizure.
Um.
Don't use that kind of language with me. Do not do it. I'll tell you what. What?
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 What are you staring at?
There's peoples in the computer.
What?
There's peoples in the computer.
Okay, get out of my house! Get out of my house! What
Yeah.
are you two doing there? Oh, wait, never mind. That's us. That's us.
What?
That's us.
For reals?
That's you, and that's me.
For reals?
For reals.
For reals.
For reals.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
Yes way.
No way.
Yes way.
I don't believe it. Excuse me?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Excuse me?
Yes, Angel.
Excuse me?
Angel.
What?
What is it?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You are.
I need to go to sleep now. Good night.
What? Get it off! You're not asleep anyway. You're hyper. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, the camera's on. Well, my fair was arguing.